I'm just gonna say here that please like and subscribe, turn on the notifications. I mean, hit that bell so hard. And then, if you want to follow me, to add me in Roblox, this is my account. Oh my god. This is my account, and please like and subscribe. And also, my name is Tina, so let's get started. Dark! Oh my god, this happens all the time. Am I kidnapped again? Okay, bet I am. Nope, nothing else. I have to find something I already know. I'm not gonna be one of the Tories. Oh my god. Creator, why did you make why am I doing this? Okay. Let me find something. Nope, nothing is here. Okay. I don't want to sleep. Okay. Let's try to unlock the door. What the heck? It's not opening. Help! Oh my god. If it doesn't open, I'm gonna kill it. Oh my god. What's this? Ooh. Maybe I can hit it with this. This thing is useless. Whatever. What is this? I'm gonna read it up here in the middle of the room. Run away, long ago. Please. Take me to your joy, take me to your light. Think. What the? Okay. Why is this happening? Okay, poop. Oh, good. Huh? Okay, why do I look like that? Okay, let me see my back. Turns around. Turning back. I have a tail? Oh my god, help me, God. Oh my god. Is it because of this thing? Am I turning into a devil or something? And wait a second. I hate this. Why did the creator do this? Why do we have these eyes? Okay, I cannot waste any time. I gotta get out of here. Wait, that looks just like my tail. Have an idea. Okay, let's just do... Let's go. Yes, I'm free. Oh, it's exciting. Yes, I'm free. Finally, I'm free. Again? Why am I here? Oh my god, I'm just bring the book with me so I can do something. Okay, let's just bring the book with me. Okay, let's just check. Okay, it won't work. Why is this happening to me? Oh, why is this happening to me? I hate this. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's turning nighttime. I don't want to escape here at night. You know what? Let's try this. What what just happened? Oh, wow, I can teleport. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna try to teleport outside. Whoa, I'm outside now. Okay, I gotta be going to safe place. Just teleport me to a safe place. Ooh, what is this? Okay, did you erase all my memory? Because I forgot what is this called. Whatever, I'm just gonna write it. Oh, a lot of people. Ah! Oh my god, I went a guy over. Okay, whatever. Okay. Oh, let's see. Ooh, look at this girl. She looks cute. I'm gonna go. Let's see. Okay, did this basically you say go to a safe place? Okay, this didn't teleport me to a safe place at all. Ah. Ooh, I should put it over here. There you go. Okay, just teleport. Okay. Okay. This is getting boring. Doing this is so boring. Oh my god. Wait a second. I can just steal food. Whatever. No. I'm gonna try to steal food. Wait, can I try this? What is this? Why am I so tiny? Oh, this can work. Let's go. But I want to be more smaller. This is perfect. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is bigger. Nope. Okay, I cannot camouflage. Oh my god, I cannot camouflage. Okay, let's wait for them to leave the store. After the people leave the store. Okay, she cannot see me because I'm so tiny. Oh, this door open. Okay, let's steal this. Got pizza. Since I want to be healthy, I'm gonna cut these. And look at me. Did I hear somebody? What the? Right here. Guess there was nobody. Okay. So, because we can move. No, gotta go. Yeah! Yes, I finally did it! Okay. Let's see. This almost girl. It's a girl. Where is she going? Okay, I should cross the road. Okay, maybe I should make my size now. Okay, let's run normal size. There! It's more better. Yeah. Did that just guy rob the bank or something? Whatever. I don't know. Look at this girl! Can I have your ice cream? Nope. Okay. Well, I have food. Ooh, I can give it to this guy. He's homeless. Hey. Hey, come back here. Okay, whatever. I'll eat this. Okay, I have to eat this now. This is like not that thing to eat. I'll just eat it over here. Ooh, I'll put my book over here. Put my book over there. Okay, there you go. And eat my chips while reading. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that over here. I should find a trash can bag, actually. Do this, okay. You know what? A lot of people throw it up here. I'm putting it over here. Over here in the tree. There. So nobody can see that. Ooh, can I make the the water shine. Oh, oh, I made it shine. Hmm. Yeah, it's the water. Haha. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. When you're waiting, girl. Okay, whatever. Ooh. This is like a so. This is so new. I really have some fun exploring these. Wow, what is that? A cave in school. Ooh, where are we supposed to buy? Wait, I saw it like last time when I saw from that grocery store over there. I saw some uniforms. I should go get some. Whatever. Hey. Okay, you know what? This is getting long. Just teleport me to the grocery store. Okay, let me try to act. Not go still over there. Let's try to change my size. Got it. Okay, go steal some uniforms. Oh, with that, I can change. I think I can make one very small. Oh, it's over. Oh, it's over here. Just ignore that. This is like water. Just pretend it's uniforms. Okay, let me get some. It's I'm probably only staying there. At that school for my 10 days. So, whoop, I can go over here. Oh wait, I forgot. Okay, come that way. Click the slime. Slime. Could I do one of these? Okay, it's over here. Did I hear something? Whatever. Yes! I can make these tiny. After making them tiny, I have to change my size now. Whoop! Okay, let's kind of get a house. Okay. Finally. Okay, let's go! Wow, this place is so cool. I should go there in the morning. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, there's some clothes in here. Let's see. Let me change into the one. Okay. Now let's just go and sleep and wait until it's morning. I think the store starts at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Oh my god, I'm gonna be late. Oh my god. Whatever. Where are my uniforms? Okay, it's already, I already ate something. Let's just go. Okay, this outfit looks cute. Let's go grab something real quick. Okay, I got my bike. Let's just go. This is so peaceful. I love riding on a bike. Plus, it's fast.
Ayaw na pagpata kay dugay kaayo.
Oh wait, let me just turn around. There, let's go. The cave in the school. I think I'm new there. People are here. People smell here. Okay, let's go. Should be a student. Okay. Just got that. Oh, let's just go to our first class, which is art class. Okay, what are we supposed to be drawing? Sir, what are we supposed to be drawing? Oh, we have to draw a very nice heart. Okay, sir. Okay, let's just do this. Yeah. We found makeup. Yeah. Okay, let's just do that. And just color in. I guess that girl is already done because she left. Am I supposed to have a best friend in this? Creator. Okay, let's do. Okay, it's almost done. I just have to like put some like very nice things like pink over here to cover this. Okay, let's just stick this. Okay, I'm gonna show this to the teacher. Okay, I hope teacher will like this. Teacher, here. Let's go. Go to my next class. Math class next.
Di mo na itong i-chatan itong kuante.
Oh my god.
Itong sa
Wait a
cake.
second.
May design sa cake.
Ay, sa mga tanong sa
Eh, nag-hook na ha.
Who should answer this? I can, ma'am. Okay. 10 plus 10. Let me write the answer. 10 plus 20, ma'am. It's 20. Okay, give recognitions to... What's your name? Hazel. Hazel. The whole class. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Oh, that was so amazing. Okay. Oh, wait, I have to get my bag. You have to hurry up. Because I don't think teacher likes people that not here. Okay, I guess I have to get a locker. My favorite color is red, so I'm gonna go like, oh. This one. Thank you. I'm gonna have to get my book for science. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. I have to get some stuff. Okay, good thing I have this. Okay. Just need to stay here. Okay. Welcome everybody, a new student to the class. Please meet Hazel. God. You may take a seat, Hazel. Okay, who wants to come up and do this? Me, teacher, me. Okay. You can do it, Hazel. Just you're the first one in the class. Yeah. Explain it to the class first, since none of them didn't listen. This is a lie detector. You got it? So let's test it on someone. Who wants to test it? Everybody wants once. You want? Me. You? Okay. Who said that, ma'am? Hazel. Gaily. Then where is Gaily? Raise your hand, Gaily. Raise his hand. Okay, Gaily. Okay. Do you love your mom? Ding, 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 ding. I love my mom. but the lie detector never lies. Huh? Gag! Gaily! Gaily! Yes, teacher. You don't love your parents? I love them, but... Nonsense. Let's let somebody do it. Kaylee, you can try it on me. Okay. Okay, here. Let me go. Don't have any parents. So... Hey! Who wants to answer this? Me. Okay, do you love your parents? Yes, I do. I don't have any parents. Did anybody even notice that I have a wolf in mind? Anybody notice that I have ears on a tail? I mean, should everybody be scared of me? Oh, that's horrible. It's okay. Who wants to try again? I want to try again. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh, we're very excited. Who wants to try? Me. Gag. Lily. Can one of you raise your hand? Raise his hand. Okay, ready. Do you like anybody in the class? Ooh, teacher. Ooh, no. Oh, it's correct. Ma'am, she doesn't like anyone. No, okay. Give it to somebody else. Who wants it? Me. Okay. Can that person raise their hand? Raise his hand. Okay. Here you go. This is having a fun time insane class in mine. It's having a fun time inside this class. I really like it here at this class. After class. Your teacher? Yeah. Hey, Hazel. Oh my god. Hey, Hazel. Yes, teacher, did I do anything wrong on the test? Well, I need you to give all of these to the classmates. Where? Grab them over there. Oh, these tests? Yeah. Okay, this is mine. Okay, this is yours. Okay, thank you. Yours. Thank you. Yours. Thank you. Yours. Thank you. Yours. Oh, thank you. Okay, let me see what I did on the test. Looks like over here I got 100. Yes, I got 100. Okay, I should put this in my bag. Okay. Class is done. Ding 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 ding. Okay. Ding ding. Oh, cafeteria time and after cafeteria. Cafeteria time. After cafeteria, head home. Ooh, let's go. Food time. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get some Doritos. It's been a nice day today. Today I want to do some more. I'm so sorry guys if I didn't finish the roleplay, but I'm gonna have to end it. So thank you for watching. Bye.